Hello, community. We are going to explore two fundamental sections in Token Labs, the token list and the token info. These tools are essential for finding projects and analyzing them before investing. Let's see how to make the most of them. The token list is our token explorer. Here you will find memecoin, tokens, with bonding, curve, tokens in Launchpad, and tokens already listed on DEX. At the top, we have the latest transactions in real time, which gives us an instant view of the activity on the platform. Let's see how to navigate effectively. We can sort by trending tokens, those that are moving the fastest, and new tokens. Additionally, we can filter by tokens that are in the Launchpad phase, those already on DEX, and those in the bonding curve phase, in this case, the meme coins. Those meme coins that are already listed, they will appear with the label DEX, and those that are not will be in their bonding curve phase with the label meme. Now, we also have the voting system where we can rate positively or negatively. When we enter a specific token, we can see all its information, its basic data, such as its contract, creator, the network where the token itself was deployed, the supply, decimals, likes, dislikes, creation date, and token description. Additionally, if you are the creator of the token, you can add or edit its information, such as social networks, website, white paper, image, and description. Now we have the view, trading view. In this case, since the token is new, it does not yet have recorded buy-sell transactions, but we can see the distribution of the tokens. In addition to being able to see the addresses that hold it, we can also see the comments and add a new comment. Now let's look at a token with interaction. Here we have the TradingView view, our integrated widget, a real-time chart from Gecko Terminal, as well as transfers ordered chronologically and by type of transfer. All of this without having to leave Token Labs, making trading super convenient and secure. Now let's give some tips for analyzing projects. Always check that the distribution of holders is healthy, look at community comments, verify the project's social media, and review the transaction history. And that's how you can use the token list and token info tools from Token Labs. In the next video, we will see how to operate on the platform. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to keep learning with Token Labs. See you in the next video.